Today, we will show you how to update firmware for DVR BP9.1A. Before we start the process, please get ready the following items. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove SD card from DVR. Unplug the power cable from your DVR and remove the micro SD card. Then, insert the SD card into your PC, laptop with the card reader. Step 2. Download firmware. Go to your browser, type in www.blaupunkt.com. On the landing page, select Products. In the selection, click on Automotive, then Car Accessories, and then Dashcam, Digital Video Recorder. Select your DVR model, BP9.1A2 channel. Go to Downloads and select Firmware Download. Step 3. Extract firmware. Right-click on the downloaded firmware and extract the file. Step 4. Format SD card and file copy. Please back up video file before formatting the SD card. On your PC, right-click on the SD card and select Format. Select Start and click OK to continue with the formatting process. Then, copy and paste the firmware file into the formatted SD card. Eject the SD card and get ready for next step. Step 5. Insert SD card and power on. Insert the SD card and power on the DVR. The DVR will detect the firmware and start the update automatically. The updating process takes about 3 to 5 minutes. The GPS and rec indicator will blink rapidly during the process. Device will reboot when the update is completed. Step 6. Check firmware version. On normal recording mode, click on the center of the screen. Then select Menu. Then Others. And then System Info. Check on the build date to ensure that you have updated the latest firmware. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more video.